Do you know what separates a good mold from a bad one? It sounds abstract, but phone cases are one of the easiest ways to see it. With a good mold, the finish is clean and the fit feels right. With a bad one, small issues show up immediately, visually and in hand. A lot of people think a good phone case is just about material. In reality, the mold often matters more. So what is the mold actually doing here? Let's break it down using 3 common finishes. Let's start with the most common one, soft touch phone case. That smooth, slightly rubbery feel usually comes from TPU or TPE, sometimes with a coating system. The premium part is consistency. It takes a clean cavity surface, stable mold temperature, and a tight process window. If the tool surface is dirty or temperature-controlled drift, the case can turn tacky, pick up lint, and wear unevenly over time. A lot of people prefer a textured, matte phone case for that lightly gritty touch that adds grip without feeling rough. That lightly gritty feel comes from micro-texture on the mold surface, usually created through etching or blasting. The key is uniform texture depth and clean release. When it is done well, the surface looks even and fingerprints are less visible. When it is not, patchy shine and uneven texture show up, and the parting line can leave a seam that feels obvious right away. High-gloss phone cases take the opposite approach, aiming for a sleek, shiny appearance. Glossy can look premium, but it shows everything. It depends on polishing level, careful handling, and stable molding conditions. Any swirl marks, haze, or micro scratches will show up immediately under light. That is why high gloss usually costs more to do well. So when good tooling is mentioned, it is not just about making a mold. It is about surface control, consistency, and repeatability in real production. Phone cases are just one example, but the same logic applies to many everyday products. Have a tooling question? Leave it in the comments. Subscribe for more mold and process breakdowns.